Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making my old family recipe, banana carrot oat cake. I love this recipe. I remember walking home from school, walking up the steps, and smelling the wonderful aroma of my mom making this banana carrot oat cake. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Please smooshy that like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the Little House of Beans, and we have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, and our cookbook is available on Amazon, Outdoor Cooking with Edie. I am ready to make my most favorite dessert, breakfast, brunch, banana carrot oat cake. Let's cook.